ladies and gents, hope mko poa. I'm not talking this because of Njuguna story. That was a long time coming. Terence too. I'm talking like this because I have a lot of friends in the US that have gone through the same shit. Mtu anabai nyumba, akimaliza anafukuzwa. Bibi ndiye baki yuko na watoi. Now you have to start life in a different way. As a man, niambie utashikwa na depression. You have to go down and then start all over again. Ukijua umeinvest on this person. So wacha nikwambie. Saa hii hata nikapatana na dem aniambie nimnunulie gari. Namwambia ende abuy avocado, akuje tukule dinner. That's it. Pesa yangu ni avocado. Because I've seen all this bullshit happening. Day and out. I've seen my friends dying of depression. I won't mention names, but there is one of my best friends from Maryland. Amekufa hivyo. Mwingine akajigongesha kwa nini? Kwa mti. Akidrive home juu ya kujam. So it's become too much and we are taking it as a joke, and I feel like hakuna huwa mtu ana protect boy child. So it starts from here and it trickles down to Africa. Everything immoral inaanzaga huku. So mi pangu nitasema, mi dem ngakuja niambia nibaie gari, sijui nibaie nini. I've done all that shit. But sahi nakwambia enda ubai avocado. Kuja tukule dinner, utupe maganda, nione umeutupa maganda. Kama tutaachana tuachana hivyo. That's how petty now men are starting to be. Unakuta most men in this country wanataka tu kuishi peke yao. They just won't be alone. Mtu anamkia job anarudi. That's it. It's better off that way. Juu kabla upate someone you can trust. Oh my gosh. Utatembea. So to me, Njuguna's story is not a big deal because I've seen it firsthand. I've seen my friends die, and this is not a joke, because of depression. I've seen them lose everything they have, everything they worked for, because of that. I believe it's not right. But that's the world we live in, right?